It's just a quick trade review. Pound yen. Start on the daily. The daily was obviously overextended. Longer term target was around this level here, so around 137.5, which I've got as weekly support. That was where my long term target would be, but I wouldn't want to hold that for this amount of time purely because of this bullish move up. As you go down 4 hour, you can see on most yen pairs the 4 hour 50 EMA is really works as great dynamic support or resistance. You can see here we started to form a downward sloping trend line. I had a Fibonacci in at the low. I was really interested at this at 618 fib, which correlates with a monthly support of the 140 handle. But price did just push up just a little bit more than that. So obviously this is the level here of 140. This is where I was interested. Pretty much watched it the whole time from here to here. I just took this as sort of consolidation. It didn't break the 778 fib, which is 0.75, 0.78. I prefer 0.78, but I'd always make sure if I'm entering at 618 fib that my stop's behind. So I was waiting just really for some momentum. We've got the downward sloping trend line, and then if we go on the 5 minute, we should be able to see where I entered. Should have been a nice move to the downside or a break of the 5 minute 50 EMA. So if we look here, yeah, it was simply just a break of the 5 minute 50 EMA. So broke down and then immediately sort of dropped down. It was floating at sort of 1.5%, so I could have really put my stop to break even, but I didn't. I was holding this for a little bit longer. I wanted to hold this to sort of at least the recent lows, which was here, so that would have been a 3% position, or to 1.2 fib, but just didn't work out. It's just one of those things, but I would take this trade again. I think it's a nice trade. It just did not work out.